Hey, what's going on? This is Jake with Walk-Squawk. Uh, let's dive into the USDA reports, what they mean for the grain market today. Starting with corn, came in with a big 12-year high acreage, up 5% from last year, coming at 95.33 million acres. But, so we're looking at, almost 100 million acres, right? Um, but here's the catch, we've already priced in a lot of this where I've heard funds, we've been chattering about this closer to 100 million acres for a while. There's still solid export demand, and you know what, the path to least resistance kind of seems a little bit higher here with these reciprocal tariffs, and you know what, some Trump bucks coming in here to incentivize still planting. You know, the way that they can just use this RFS and stuff like that for these um, demand. We can create demand, and we have good exports. So the path of the least resistance seems to be higher for now. Soybeans, on the other hand, are seeing their acreage drop. The USDA pegged them at 83.5 million acres. This is down from 87 million acres. So a smaller crop for beans puts pressure on to achieve those average yields, to avoid, some demand rotation situation going on there. But for the global picture also remains strong for beans, especially with Brazil leading the charge on exports, sending almost 18 million tons to China this year. Now, the wheat market has had the strongest performance yesterday, thanks to, a little bit more of a reduction in acreage there, a million more. More than what was expected, while stocks came in slightly bearish. Weak acreage is at the lowest in 100 years. This opens the door for weather risks to impact harvests, especially in the southwest plains where conditions remain dry. With global concerns like Russia's crop being downgraded and Australian subsoil moisture issues, the bull camp is likely to hold the upper hand. So, what does it mean? For corn, a stronger export market and higher acreage are setting the stage for a potential upside. While soybeans face a tighter balance sheet, and wheat is showing a potential for bullish movement despite some bearish stock data. Keep an eye on headline risk as reciprocal tariffs come into play tomorrow. This week is shaping up to be a doozy. Stay sharp and trade smart.